Hi everyone, I'm Rose. I'm an adult services librarian at the Oak Park Public Library, and I'm here to talk to you about our new recipe collection called Many Recipes, Many Stories, which is running in conjunction with our adult and teen summer reading program, Many Voices, Many Stories. We invite you to submit a recipe to include in a new virtual cookbook, one that joins together and reflects the many cultures, tastes, and traditions of the Oak Park community. Think of meals that evoke fond memories of your own family heritage and celebrations. We encourage you to share some backgrounds or a short story on your recipe, but if you want to just submit a recipe, that's also totally fine. So let me show you how to submit the recipe now. You'll start on our website, oppl.org, and you will hover your mouse over Read, Listen, and Watch, and then click on the link that says Adult and Teen Summer Reading, which is under Suggestions. This will take you to the Many Voices, Many Stories landing page, which tells you all about the summer reading program. But up top on the right-hand side, you'll see a link to Many Recipes, Many Stories, and you're going to click this link right here that says Share Your Recipe. This will take you to the submission page, where you'll get a little bit of context about the project itself. And if you scroll all the way down, you'll see a little blurb that says, how do I get started? Before you submit your recipe, make sure that it is an original work, which you own the rights. And then you can submit it as a PDF or an EPUB or a JPEG. Probably a PDF is the most common. So then you're going to click this link right here that says, submit your digital items. And it will open up the submission page. There are 5 steps to submitting. The first thing is to accept the terms, so just hit accept and continue. And then this is the page where you upload your recipe. So the first section, upload your recipe, and then you can see at the very top here the formats that are accepted. And then you can also upload a cover image or art to represent this. If you are going to submit a picture of your recipe, you have to do it at the same time. So make sure you do both of them right here, and then you'll hit continue. The next 3 parts of the form are just some details and personal information, like content information, anything you wish to share along with your submission. And then the final step is to review it and submit it. And once you submit it, it will come to a team of librarians, and we will review it and add it to the virtual collection. So I encourage you to share your recipes this summer. The form will be live throughout the Many Voices, Many Stories summer reading program, so that's through August 15th, 2020. Feel free to check back periodically to see the updated recipes and collections. Thanks, everyone.